Hey guys, good morning and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Akila and I'd love for you guys to join. So I'm just vlogging a day in my life today. It's about 9 in the morning. So today I'm just going to be getting out Christmas decorations. I'm not going to show you me decorating because I am doing vlogmas. So that'll be in one of my vlogmas vlogs. But I'm still going to show me like just getting the decor out of the shed and everything. But Alexa, turn on dining room light. But like I said, I'm not really doing much, just kind of relaxing today. I'm gonna make myself a cup of coffee, probably clean up a little bit since I still have some stuff left out. I already fed all the animals for this morning. Like I said, this is my first year that I'll be doing vlogmas, which I'm really excited for. I'm hoping I can do really well. I already have the first week of vlogmas planned, so that's a good head start. Lots of editing, that's all I gotta say. Like, I think after I film a video for that day, I'm just gonna edit that night so I can have it uploaded. But, yeah, that's the first week, part of the first week's planned. I'm really excited to do this. Hopefully it goes well, like I said. I'm kind of nervous. I know I'm gonna have to get out more and do a lot more things to keep it really entertaining, but that's okay. The first week is kind of more laid back where I'm at home because I have a lot of stuff planned for at home. But I do have to get out one of the days and go shopping, so you will see that. Hey guys, so I'm back. I'm looking a little crazy, but I did just film on TikTok. It's honestly stupid. But now I'm looking at Christmas trees, and I already looked over this one because we wanted to get a new one. And we have Amazon Prime, so it should be here in like 2 days, so that's good because I do have my videos planned out for vlogmas that I want to do. And then all I have to do is get some lights for this tree, but I think I'm going really cheap. I'm honestly going to get some Dollar Tree lights to wrap around it. But it's the Home Gear Deluxe Alpine 6-foot 700 tip Xmas Christmas tree. It's actually really cute, a pretty good size. Let's see if it'll focus a little more. It just looks like that. It's a pretty good Christmas tree. The reviews are really good. It's only $28 for 6 foot, so that's nice. But I'm getting ready to order it, and I'm really excited. So yeah, and then all I had to do is get lights. I already have some ornaments and other stuff. So I'm gonna go to Dollar Tree sometime and get this stuff. So you'll see that in next week's, not next week's. You'll see that in one of the vlogmases. So stay tuned. All right, so I just ordered our new Christmas tree. It should be here between December 3rd and the 8th. I'm hoping a little earlier just because I do have my videos already planned out for vlogmas and I really want it to flow evenly. But if not, it's okay because I can just kind of rearrange and sort out and just, you know what I mean. But it's a cute little Christmas tree. I'm excited, and all I have to do is get lights and maybe a couple other things. But we pretty much already have everything we need. And I'm really excited. It was really cheap. I'll do a little review on it too once I get it and see how easy it is to put up, which I'm sure it's going to be easy. Christmas trees are pretty easy to put up. But I'm excited, so I can't wait for you guys to see it. I'm not sure what else I'm doing today. I don't think I'm really doing anything besides cleaning up a little because I do have like a couple things on the floor that need cleaned up. And I'm using one of my lights right now. I normally never do this, but it's okay. But yeah, that's what I'm doing. You guys, it's such a gloomy day here. It just started pouring down rain. But I like that. I love rainy days so much. Alright, you guys, so I made myself some breakfast. I never really eat too much, but I eat sometimes. Well, I eat breakfast sometimes. So I made some eggs and French toast, and yes, I love a lot of syrup, and I love syrup on my eggs, so I'm about to eat this. Alright, you guys, so now I'm going to catch up on YouTube videos. I have a lot of people I need to catch up on. I keep hearing loud trucks out there. Good morning, guys. Welcome to today's vlog. If you're new, what's up? My name's Ivy. If you're not, mail. And after that, I'll be back. Looks like I got a package, but I can't open it until Christmas, so we'll be waiting on that. But for one of my vlogmas videos, I will do a little Christmas unboxing of what I got for Christmas. So stay tuned for that. Very excited. Yeah. But I think I'm about to make myself some cappuccino right now. You want it? I feel so bad. Go get it. Whoa. I'm sorry, Clark got it. I'm sorry. Come here, Rosie. They're so crazy. So I might end this vlog right here. I didn't really do that. I can't talk. I didn't really do that much today, but it's just a really simple at-home vlog. And I kind of like these vlogs, just so you guys can get like what I do in a day. Like sometimes I do a lot more than what I really film, and then sometimes I'm just having a little lazy day. But I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm so excited for Vlogmas. Comment down below if you guys are doing Vlogmas. Comment down below if you guys are doing Vlogmas, or if you guys are excited for Vlogmas, because I am. Let me know in the comments. Do want to show my cappuccino though. It looks so good. Can't wait to take a sip. There's Clark with his ball. You got it stuck, buddy. You got it stuck. Watch out. Ready? Ready? Go get it. Oh, I'm sorry. Rosie got it. Now I'm going to take a sip. I got it like just perfect. Not too hot, not too cold. But I'm going to go ahead and drink this and then watch some YouTube videos. So I'm going to end the vlog. I also just went out to our shed and grabbed some Christmas stuff. Like I said, stop, Rosie. I'm still waiting on the Christmas tree to come in. And in Vlogmas, you guys will see me setting up the decorations for Christmas. I know I'm a little late on getting a late start to everything, but it'll be okay. But like I said, I'm going to end this video here. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to give the video a like, subscribe, and comment down below. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.